Yeah. Sing for Aaron.
Doors closing.
Winky, winky.
Please stand clear.
What the fuck is this shit?
Winky, winky. Papa. Winky, winky. Papa. Winky, winky. Papa.
Don't use me as a prop.
Now do it properly.
Right.
Do it properly.
Wiki, wiki.
Now do it quicker.
As bad as it, man. I'm pretty fucked. I think you're abusing me. I'm not from Rwanda, you know. I know my rights. Is this going up on YouTube?
No.
If this is up on YouTube,
It's not even on record, Mark.
I want $1. I want $1.
I'm just trying out my camera, it's alright.
Alright, give me $1.
Alright then.
Will you give me $1?
I'll give you $1. Here, Jake's gonna give you $1.
Alright, give me $1. I want the $1.
Hang on. Got 50 cents.
Alright,
That'll
now we'll
do.
do Jake. Now what do you want? What do you want?
Sing it faster.
What? In what? Normal voice or?
Normal. Oh no, not normal voice. How it's meant to be sung.
Wiki, wiki, papa, papa, titty, titty, wiki, wiki,
I'm sorry
papa,
everyone on these train
wiki,
things.
wiki, papa, papa, titty, wiki, wiki, papa, Wiki, wiki, oh, this is fun! Stick your finger up your bum!
We should ask all the
I'm
people
so
on the
proud
train
right now.
what they think.
I made 50 cents from my profits to the proceeds of Mark Neal Incorporated. Alright. I'm out.
They just stop filming, bitch. Stop it.